Aloha in mahalo. This morning, I want to talk a little bit about plumbing. Um, Again, I'm not a plumber, but I'm a DIYer, do it yourself. Okay, so that's who I am. I use all kind of resources. I use Google, I use YouTube, I use friends, I use colleagues, I reach out and I talk to people. And, that's how I gathered all the information and use it. And so, yeah, and then apply it. So I'm actually learning on the go here with you guys. So I want to share with you guys what I know, what's hidden behind the walls, and all that stuff. So before I close up the walls and stuff, I want to show you guys, um, what um, what's behind the walls. Okay. Um, I Yesterday I moved my water pump, so and move it outside of the building because before it was inside on the floor on the first floor, and so it make a lot of noise. Now you can barely hear the water pump, and then I have the 275-gallon water container out there, and that's where the water comes from. So the water pump is an is automatic, so it turns on when I'm using water. It has a small, I think 5-10 gallon um, water pressure tank, so it's too small. The water pressure tank on the water pump is too small. I'm planning on making it bigger. But today I want to show you the shower, which I worked on it yesterday. Um, what I like about it, what I don't like about it, and the good thing why you want to do it yourself. Okay, so let me go ahead and walk you inside here into our shower. Remember, this house is far from being done, but it's slowly getting there. Okay, so let me turn the camera around here. So yeah, so this is restroom. You've already seen this, but the shower is done basically. So as you can see here, shower is done. Of course, you already know the red is for hot water, the blue is for cold water, and so you have a hot water on the left, cold on the right over there, and then we can try it out. This is the shower head, so when you turn it on, oops, so that's what's on right now. See, so this is on. I'm gonna turn it off and then switch this up to the head, and then so it's gonna rain. So see that? See? So it's raining water. Yeah. So this is what's behind the wall are the pipes that put together the system, the shower system. Yeah, obviously we're gonna put up the wall and everything will be hidden, and this place will look awesome after we finish do the finishing and all that stuff. But I just want to show it to you guys. I want to show you what before I put up the wall and to the floor and make it look nice and stuff. Yeah, so last night I was cooking. Yeah, I was cooking. Coffee maker is on. Yeah, I was cooking last night. The timer is not correct. But so this is what we have on the batter. Okay. Okay. Ja, wanneer ze rannem se fan. Kies so tapur rabi par 50 tickets. Hou sa het fos naar fos Amerika. Je is super fos op terug. Die rofei roger kevi. Uitseas. Especially my heavy krabi city plumbing. I mean me certified no plumbing. I'd say basic. Si je kan je verder serie Google, serie YouTube, serie paar friends, tietjiat, me hier pas mochare nis, hier met sabe hier die weet die serie sa, toch die voor ja te jangak, hier naru wa mo voor je had je een water pump, hier hebben je pump die korik, kar op een naar kapipe, je mee automatic, je nom van naar. Iwe pora tra container korik, so kufik meri ukalan masawar. Iwe sa eto seriera tank fenomena korik era water pump. Gavi pora tra filter enom ne fire tank mera tra water pump. Porque se tra pipi with the cargo torong non water pump. Iwe after water pump, iwe pora heater akos iwe pora filter. Ese mga filter ese opasita. Niba korotsia era rot. But I offer patita era nefir tank water heater water pump. You said water pump already toron no water heater. You met korik me pataro me eto fotsun car restroom in tutu kitchen. You had I water heater, propane gas tank, tankless water heater. I be took for furry, so that way pump, but give you out out. You see what you putting it give you bits of good would do to see a furry, a shower head, but it was you had super good. If I soon kid, Medugur Pereira Beuri Casapacet. Yeah. Si può parlare in ora di restroom, procura di restroom. Usare il never so ora questa di restroom. Io vedo io mica tutto nori container. Ki pipe sia ragazza Capex. Il pattoria è soccopato il pipe che sai posisari per pagare agaga io sapete che valve me important perché è ora su che ramme come si vede che sapano che se vito so fero che io caga ora io vi porvare io ora verrà porre la scurvi e ripeto era por access panel che per eventuali met la satska of femonni. Hier heb je access panel. Hier had je switch box eruit gegeven. Hier hot water, cold water in de pik. Hier weer naar asar. Hier midden asar. Hier de pik. En hier midden. Ik heb het op de fari. Ik heb een mozzarella hier. Hier weer toch. Hier ik correct. Nag weet tampa bij 6 feet. Nee, weet je, ik hier tot weet je kiretief. We pare ki sikirata. Buat tabata era alveri guai ki sikirata. E vedi, o tipo onne puro pokra. Work. Dai sidera. Dijaga. Siri. Aku suruh menarik. Oké, so tapo heb ik 50 iets. Dan leuk video. Kijk, ahora heb ik capaciteit. Red plumbing ik solar saya. Amat betul ke solar. Ini beriu nggak make cook. Quara teisidov. Iwe kuk monga par kukurik. Iwe yile sosore sannero iwe chok ye kukur hats fifi we chok or. Nei so wakar. Ni kiswe okay. But the Roosevelt par kisu chabur relami fifi tikits. Ja, kalari au etora te channel kisa wasa ka like kiri ekara video subscribe kiri hatra channel pa tikira bell button pur e puka toru koesire siri ka our notes mira for video. Ja, amo pari happy Saturday. Inga habi chokur coffee pu me chokki rosrukun. Na hafer patawara rote video. Thank you and mahalo. And live aloha, live kamarali, sleep kamarali, okay, and take care.